Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since we made a video on Cadding, but we're back at it again. And I think last time we left off on extruding and sketches. So this time I think we're gonna learn about the next feature, which is sweep. So essentially what sweep does is right here. Essentially you have a profile and then a path, and then you click on both those things, and then that profile is projected through that path, as you can see from the description here. So I'm just going to make a little sketch here first. I'm just going to make a little rectangle, square, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude it. So just do that. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another sketch, but on this plane. Wait, no, hold on. I'm going to make another sketch, but on this plane here. And I guess I can make like a little random pathway. I don't think it matters too much. I'll just try to make it a little bit fun. Give me a second. Okay, we can try this out to see if this works here. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, no, not revolve. I'm going to click on sweep, and I'm going to click on this profile, and then path, I'm going to click on that, and boom. As you can see, that little rectangle profile generated here is swept along the path, and then you can create freaky looking things like this. Anyways, that's all for this video, and next video we're going to be going over the revolve feature. So thanks for watching, and take care.